What's up guys? For today's video, I will show you how to overhaul the bowl assembly of a purifier. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary special tools and spare parts needed like O-rings, main seal ring and others. Then, stop the purifier. Turn off the breaker at the starter panel and close the necessary valves. Stay tuned for a complete video on how to stop a purifier. And now, let's get started with the overhaul. Remove the plug and drain the remaining oil from the piping. Loosen the nuts of the sealing water tube. Remove the cover nut with a spanner. And the nut fixing the inlet pipe. Loosen the socket set screw with Allen wrench. Strike with plastic or rubber hammer the top of the inlet pipe. Loosen the nuts of the purified oil connecting outlet pipe with the use of the hook spanner. Also loosen the nuts of the dirty oil connecting inlet pipe. And be careful not to lose the flow rate regulating orifice. And loosen the nuts of the heavy liquid connecting tube. Remove the sludge cover by loosening the 4 socket cap screws. And put the jack or the special tool on the top of the upper hood and lifting it with a chain block. Now, disassemble the bowl assembly parts. Remove the disc nut using disc nut handle and a hammer. Remove the heavy liquid chamber. Impeller 2. Gravity disc with packing. Remove the light liquid chamber using light liquid chamber handle and a hammer. Remove the impeller 1. And the inlet pipe. And for removing the bowl, remove the cap nut first that tighten the bowl on the vertical shaft with a cap nut spanner. Insert the cap nut spanner and tighten the threaded part. And strike with a hammer the handle of a spanner to remove the cap nut. Put the jack or the special tool for lifting the bowl by threading it into the threaded part of the distributor. Tighten down the handle of the jack until the bowl is slightly raised, then lift the bowl using the chain block. And land it on the dismantling stand. Make sure the 4 pins of the dismantling stand fit in the holes at the bottom of the bowl. Then, remove the jack. Screw the bolt of this clamp plate completely by hand in the distributor. And make sure to see in the peephole the rib of the distributor. Tighten the nut until the rib is same to the top disc. Put the bowl nut handle on the bowl nut and remove it by striking with hammer in counterclockwise direction. Remove the disc clamp plate. Put the protective plate on the top of the distributor and the jack or the special tool on the bowl hood with a disc nut. Turn the push bolt in clockwise direction to remove the bowl hood. Remove the top disc. Upper discs. Mount the jack or the special tool in the distributor and lift it. Remove the discs in the distributor. And for removing the main cylinder, put the protective plate and the jack or the special tool on the main cylinder with the socket cap screws. And turn down the jack with a push bolt and handle to remove the main cylinder. And now, let's remove the pilot valves. Remove the valve nut with the use of the Allen wrench or hexagon rod spanner. Then, use the special tool or the jack with a dismantling bolt to remove the pilot valve. Also check the 2 drain nozzles. That's all for today's video. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.